Hi guys, I'm at home today, so this is my living room. So different view for Miss Collins. Okay, we're gonna do some writing today. So what I'm gonna need you to do is I'm gonna need you to pause this video while you go get your writing notebook or a whiteboard's fine or just a piece of paper, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you want to practice your writing with. I love writing on whiteboards. It's just so satisfying. I also like writing on, if you have your whiteboard marker, and if your parents say it's okay, I like writing on my window or on a mirror. That like totally makes me happy. As long as it is a surface that you can clean easily after it's over, it's good to go with a whiteboard marker. So pause the video while you go find something to write with. I'm assuming that you've done that and you have something now to write with. If you haven't, pause the video, make sure you do go get one. Let's start writing. So first, let's just say out loud, what different senses do children use as they're at the beach? We just read that story about kids at the beach using their senses. What are the 5 senses that we have to experience the world we live in? Remember? Say it out loud if you remember any of them. Okay, let's count them together. So we have 5 senses that tell us about the world that we live in. We use our eyes to see, our ears to hear, our nose to smell, our hands to touch, and our tongue to taste. Let's do that one more time. We have 5 senses. 5. Everyone put up 5 fingers. Put one down each time we say one. Ready? Our eyes to see, our ears to hear, our nose to smell, our hands to touch, our tongue to taste. Good job. Let's use the 5 senses to make sentences together. So, as they're down at the seashore, children experience a lot of things. I'm going to say the beginning part of a sentence, and I want you to write the last word that goes to that sentence on your paper, and then we'll go over it together, okay? So, ready? A girl uses her ears to hear. Good. Let's write that sentence on your board. I'm going to give you can write it without me if you can, if you remember how to write it, but if you need help, hear. H-E-A-R. Sorry, it's really hard for me to write on the computer. I'll try to do my H better. H-E-A-R. A girl uses her ears to hear. The next sentence. A boy uses his nose to smell. Good. Let's write that word smell. How do you spell smell? L. And there's 2 L's. I know, it's a tricky word. S-M-E-L-L. A boy uses his nose to smell. A girl uses her eyes to, this word you know, we did it a lot in the story. It's your high frequency word. A girl uses her eyes to see. Spell see. You can do this one on your own. I know it. How do you spell see? Try and write it without me. S-E-E. Hopefully you knew how to do that one by yourself because we did that one about 5 times in that story that you read aloud. If you couldn't, practice it. How do you spell see? S-E-E. Good job. That's your high frequency words. Make sure that you learn it very well. All right, next. A girl uses her mouth to, what can you do? You eat things with your mouth, and you experience those things that you eat through taste. Taste. T-A-S-T, and then a silent E at the end. Taste. I don't hear an E, but there's an E at the end. Taste at the end. Good job. T-A-S-T-E. My A looks like a U. Let's finish that circle, Mrs. Collins. Great job, kindergartners. I'm so proud of your writing. Now, you know me. I like when you do things twice because it really helps you remember. So if you want, please watch this video again, or I'd really like you to write these words again on your own. That would be awesome. All right, guys, great practicing with your writing. Have a great rest of your day.